guys, this is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you just this one little quick item. This is going to be a quick video to show you what I just thrifted yesterday. Yes, I went thrifting yesterday, and yes, I got another handbag. You already know the deal when you come to my channel. I am only human, right? I'm only human. Of flesh and blood I'm made. Anyway, so I got a handbag. Yes, I did. I got this Coach vintage Willis bag, W-I-L-L-I-S. The Willis bag by Coach is known for its rectangular shape with its top handle and removable strap. And so when I saw this one at the Goodwill in impeccable, might I say again, impeccable condition, I had to get it. I just love this bag. I like the quality of the leather. You cannot beat the leather of a vintage Coach bag. You just cannot. Or a vintage Dooney, I might add. But I love the smoothness of this bag. This is just pretty, just straightforward, classic, clean lines. Look at the structure of this bag. Nice back pocket. Look at all that room. It goes down to my wrist. You could fit a large phone in this bag. The bottom is in great condition. The corners are not scuffed and scratched. And I have not even conditioned this bag, guys. The only flaw that I saw visibly were these little indentations here that was probably from storage or being pressed up against something in being, when it was being shipped to the Goodwill, I don't know. But look at the handle on that. So sturdy, so strong. Just love this just love this bag. And it has brass hardware here and here. And it has the standard Coach tag there. You have a turn lock here, which if you currently shop Coach, you will know they have a 1941 line that is reminiscent of the earlier Coach bags. They going back to a lot of the same things that made Coach what it was. And so to have this vintage Coach for like a fraction of the cost is just like the way to go, right? So here was where my dilemma came in. It did not come with the original straps. So it was to be purchased as is. It was $34.99. I know that sounds a lot for you thrifters out there who've been thrifting a long time, but I went ahead and got it after going on eBay and going on Poshmark, seeing what the going prices were, and they were generally $40 and up. So I was like, you know what, I'll go ahead and get the bag. And then I thought about two of my favorite YouTubers, Shana and Edwina of Thrifters Anonymous. Need I say more? If you watch them, you already know what I'm talking about. You have seen Shana, you have seen Edwina rock their vintage bags and rock it in a unique way. They are the queens of rocking vintage pieces. So I thought about Edwina and Shana with their like banjo straps or guitar straps on their bag, and I was like, that is what I'm going to do. So I left the Goodwill and went to the music store, which was just around the corner, and that's exactly what I did. So I got these two straps, one plain for when I'm feeling, I want to be understated or pretty much just classic, and then one where I'm feeling a little creative and a little edgy. I got the one with design. Now these two straps are banjo straps, so they're a little different than the guitar straps. So they have this swivel head with this clip on the end, but they're adjustable, which I love, you know me. And I learned about a new company in the process. So this tag was on the straps. So the company is called Levy's, and Levy's been around since 1973, and they're known for their leather guitar straps. So I'm gonna leave a link below for this link that they put on their card, and I've already checked it out, and just seeing how they make their straps and the artistry that goes into it blew my mind. This is not a sponsored video. This is just me as an artist and a consumer learning something that I didn't know about and sharing it with you. So I thought it was really, really cool. So if I have any musicians on my channel, you might want to check them out, especially if you're a guitar player or banjo player. They have phenomenal quality stuff. So anyway, I got these 2 straps, and now I'm going to show you how you can rock it with your banjo/guitar straps. So stay tuned.
Got this one.
So this is what the bag looks like wearing it as a crossbody. As you can see, it falls nicely at the hip, and the strap is very wide, so it's very comfortable. It does not cut into the shoulders, and I just think it looks very stylish. And you can take it off and then adjust the strap to a length that suits you for wearing it as a shoulder bag. And as I stated before, the strap is very comfortable, and it falls at a nice length, and depending on your height you can always adjust it, but I just think it's a great option. And I really don't miss not having the original strap when I have the options with this strap. So you can also do away with the strap altogether and just wear it as a handbag. And the great thing about this banjo strap is that the hooks are very tight, so you don't have to worry about it coming off, and then you can carry it as a handbag. Thank you guys for taking the time to spend at least 10 minutes of your day with me on my channel as I ramble on and on once again about something that I've thrifted. I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please like and subscribe, and please share my channel with others if you find it in the least bit appealing. I really appreciate your support. My channel is growing, and it's all because of you. But more than anything, I want to encourage others to thrift, because it's good for our planet, it's good for your pocketbook, it's just good for the community, it gives jobs to people, and it helps you to be a good steward of what God has given you. So that is my motto. Remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because He truly loves us so much. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'd love to hear from you below, guys. So I'll see you next time. Bye.